Good, good.
Did you have one, sir?
Yeah, it was tiring.
This is Pandas. Can you read it?
It's a bit
Japanese on the other side. What is Japanese? Japanese.
Japanese O. That's what it says.
I don't know what it's from. It's Pandas, so. How was working out?
Good.
Push-ups,
Push-ups,
jumping jacks, the butt thing.
Butt thing.
I want to see you do that. I think that would be entertaining.
Oh, Kyle.
Yeah. Yeah.
See your face. What the hell?
What
Does this say?
version do you mean instead?
What version do you say?
Save a version. You know how it's like save water, shower together?
Boo boo, yeah boo.
Are you ever not on a Zenful website?
Oh, so is a red screen
Or
office?
An
Yeah.
Probably.
Kyle or Dave, do you think you have a skateboard tomorrow real quick? I'm not.
Happy birthday, Dave!
He just got punked.
Oh my god.
That worked out so perfect.
Wow, you're on fucking candy camera right now, dude. Still filming. Still filming.
You're filming.
Yeah, I've been filming ever since you walked in the door. I know I look like a pedophile.
Damn it, Jim!
No, don't take it out. Just eat it.
What?
There are starving children in the world.
That one stapler.
I've always been your biggest fan.
I realize that. Damn it. Damn it.
You're supposed to follow
You
along.
should have put him in custody.
Oh, here's your
I don't
real
know what to
staple.
do.
Yeah, here.
How do I stop this shit?
Here you go.
Wait, say something, Dave.
Do you really need a stapler?
No.
Say something first, Dave.
Do I need to say something?
I'm gonna press this button, not that one.
I'm surprised.